Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right inside Settings. Don't waste time on basics. With the phone unlocked and Wi-Fi on, open Settings, tap Display, then Themes. This path groups all theme controls together so you can preview quickly. Once there, you'll see pre-installed themes and a store icon for extras. Make sure your account is signed in so downloads complete without interruption. This avoids failed installs later. Now focus on the middle steps. Pick a theme or download one from the store. Tap it, then personalize wallpaper, accent color, icon shape, and font. These controls change system UI consistently. Use the preview button to inspect lock screen, home screen, and notification panel at once so you catch contrast or legibility issues. If you want finer control, open the wallpaper editor to crop or finish by tapping apply and let the phone install assets. Do not interrupt updates. Once applied, return to home and walk through common screens, app drawer, widgets, notifications, to confirm color contrast and icon alignment. If something looks off, make small adjustments in themes or wallpapers. If the theme fails to apply or icons are missing, clear the launcher cache and reboot. This usually resolves leftover asset conflicts and restores the expected appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.